Alrighty guys, I'm here at Red Fox Trail. I've been going here for quite a bit, and I'm gonna see if I can make a cool video of me going around the track just to show you what it's like. This is the main big track. There's a few trails out in the woods, but I'm not gonna do that. But I'm gonna go around and show you guys the track. But since there's no other way I could record, so I had to put it like portrait, not landscape. It's gonna be a little annoying to watch, but this is the best I can do. Alright, well, let's go. Oh, that was a big jump. Alright, oh, we're going down a huge hill. Big jump. Whoa! I bottomed out my shocks. Whoa, a little slippery there. Some parts is a little sandy, so you gotta be really careful because you'll go slipping around all the time. Alright. Alright, now we're getting to the bigger jumps. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Whoa. You do a double bounce there. Whoa. There's another huge jump. Alright, this next part's gonna be a little weird. A bunch of waves. Alright, there we go. Alright, we're approaching the biggest hills here. First you gotta get through this really sandy part. Alright, gotta slow down. Whoa, I'm slipping. I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of sand. The bike's struggling. Alright, here we go, big jumps. There we go. We're gonna go through it one more time. I'm gonna do a really big, I'm gonna go into a lower gear here and let's see if I can jump this higher. Alright. There we go. I swear, bro, these jumps right after this big, huge hill are so fun. Right here. Oh, wow. Getting a little sandy again. Whoa, that was the biggest I hit that hill. Oh wow. Gotta go up on the huge turn. Downside is that it's just so hot. I've been sweating for so many hours. But I mean, it's so much fun, you just don't want to stop riding. And don't worry, that big scratching sound is nothing. It's just the sound it makes when you're shifting going fast. One of the trails is just back there. I don't know if you could have seen them. Oh, whoa. Whoa. You gotta have both your feet down to not slip. Alright, big jumps. Whoa. Last one. There we go. Alrighty. Well, this is Red Fox. It's TNT Red Fox, I think is what it's called. But that's gonna be it. I hope you guys like this track. Yeah, I guess we can also fly around down here. Oh yeah, look. Other people are down here. This is a baby track though. Yeah, funny thing, it's only me, my dad, and brother here. My dad's in front of me though. Hold on, it's a little low. I'm gonna do one lap around here. This little track is so small. Can I even do a jump? Actually, yeah, I can. Those weren't bad. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna go flying. Alrighty, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm in the middle of nowhere, man. There's just cornfields and that's it. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.